Coast Guard officials helping to coordinate the search for the Titan submersible say they have heard banging sounds. Crews report hearing banging sounds every 30 minutes Tuesday, and 4 hours later, additional sonar devices confirmed that sounds are still audible. The world is waiting to see if 5 tourists in a missing Ocean Gate submersible tour to the Titanic will be found before they run out of oxygen. Meanwhile, 2 former Ocean Gate employees say they separately brought up similar safety concerns about the thickness of the now missing Titan's hull when they were employed by the company years ago. It's unclear whether any of their concerns were addressed as a vessel was developed.